So a couple of videos ago, I had a video on the Amazon spicy shit show. So I had a couple other little things, but the primary theme of the video was all the various spices that I got for whatever you want to use it on. Steaks, or chicken, or ham, or turkey, or poultry, or whatever you want to spice up. So Dynatrack made a comment, and he told me about the kind of like a go-to spice that he goes for. So I did get a can of the said recommended spice, and I tried it on some half chickens that I barbecued during the 4th of July, and let me tell you, outstanding stuff. Absolutely outstanding. So it's it's a Cajun variety from Louisiana type stuff there. So it says, deep in the bayous of Louisiana, it's eat or be eaten. So if today you are doing the something, it got overlapped by a sticker, it may as well taste good. Not too salty, not too hot, just the perfect blend to use on everything. If it is broiled, boiled, grilled or baked, stewed or sauteed, from gumbo to gravy, something to barbecue, even on popcorn. Oh, I got to try it on popcorn, because I had another video about Old Bay, and I use that on popcorn, and it's fantastic, especially if you got the movie butter variety. The possibilities are unlimited. From now, you will be saying past the CaCa. I guess that's how it's. I don't know how to pronounce it right. But bon appetit. So tried it. But while I bought this, I bought another spice at the same time, and it took a little while for it to get here. So it is here. And when I seen the label of this thing, I thought it was funnier than hell. Because it's kind of like a parody of Coca-Cola, and you all know everybody's seen a Coca-Cola can. So we got kind of the swirls and swoops of a Coca-Cola, but it says, enjoy cock. Cock rub seasoning. Absolutely insane. So this is distributed by Hot Sauce Fanatics of High Point, North Carolina. Ingredients: chili peppers, sugar, salt, garlic, spices, and calcium stearate. Anti-caking. Okay, that's just to keep it from caking up, because certain stuff cakes up when you mix it together and it gets a little moisture in it. So I thought it was funnier than hell because it says enjoy cock, and it's kind of like this. It's got the swirls of a Coca-Cola can. So kind of the same theme. So I thought it was funny. So just a quick little video of spice sharing. Let's see what it smells like. Definitely spicy. Oh, it's going to be fantastic on something. So, just a quick little video of the various spices. One, like I said, one idea from Dynatrack, because this is one of his go-tos, and while I was searching around, I stumbled upon this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and keep your spice on. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.